Welcome to the overview of ELM agent and category hierarchy. In this tutorial, we'll discuss the hierarchy of ELM's monitoring capabilities in relation to categories and agents. This will include assigning monitoring templates to all servers, a group of servers, and a single server. Let's get started. ELM uses monitoring items to perform daily monitoring routines on your servers. A quick and easy way to leverage ELM to be able to assign monitoring templates to groups of servers is with categories. Categories can also be used to classify systems based on function, location, or any other attribute that is important to you. Beginning at the top, all agents is a global and fixed category within ELM. This is the only category you can't make modifications to. It will always be a global list of all servers, workstations, and devices being monitored with ELM. You can change the monitor items assigned to all agents, you just can't modify the category itself. All the other categories below all agents are defaults in the product that allow you to get started with ELM more quickly. You may want to develop your own categories, and ELM provides a wizard that will walk you through step by step in creating new categories. When establishing monitor items, we can assign them under the All Agents category and have them apply to all our existing agents. In our demo here, that would be Sales Lab 1 and 2, Sales Lab DB, and an ESX server, but also any new agents that we may be adding down the road. For example, if we are planning to add 10, 20, or more servers to the monitoring mix sometime in the future, by having a monitoring item under all agents, it will automatically be applied to these new servers when they come on board and agents are added. A good example for all agents would be the ping monitor, or monitoring of ports, things that are more general in nature and applied universally across all systems. Below all agents, you can see that ELM allows assignment of specific categories. You may want to use a subcategory like Windows Server rather than the All Agents category in the case of monitoring disk space. This allows you to assign monitor items just to individual groups of servers that would not necessarily affect other systems being monitored that are in other categories, such as workstations, or in the All Agents category. Another example could be if you want to monitor your domain controllers differently than other Windows servers. There is a specific category here where we could apply a different monitoring template to your domain controllers. All of the monitoring items in ELM follow a hierarchy. At the top is all agents. Those will be universal and global. Each of the categories below will only assign monitoring items to agents in those specific categories. And within each category you can assign monitoring items to a single agent to monitor that individual system. This is helpful if you are looking at specific issues relating to one system. Whether those be performance or events-based issues, best practice would be to assign a monitoring item to that one server as opposed to the entire category or all agents. It is important to take note of the different monitoring features found in each license type in ELM. It is possible to have several machines in one agent category with a mix of licenses assigned across them, such as System, Core, and Event. If a monitoring item available in a license type is applied to a category where servers or devices are running a license that does not support that monitor item, the monitor item will only be applied to those systems with the license that go inside. The others running different licenses will not pick up this new monitoring item. Using categories that you can define and customize, ELM gives you the power to assign monitoring items to individual servers, to a group of servers, or to servers and systems on a global level. We hope you found this tutorial useful and encourage you to explore our other online tutorials for more details on configuring and using ELM.